The rapid progress of technology is unlocking possibilities we once considered pure fantasy. This video offers a playful peek into a future where robots might take on an incredible variety of roles, preparing delicious meals in kitchens, painting walls with unmatched precision, or even driving us around to make commuting a breeze. Though this vision is purely imaginative, it raises a thrilling question. How far can robotics and artificial intelligence go in reshaping our world? As we marvel at these futuristic ideas, it's worth considering the countless ways technology could enhance our lives. Could robots become our ultimate collaborators, taking on mundane tasks? AI could also revolutionize our relationships. Imagine lifelike robots not just as tools, but as companions who redefine the way we experience connection and care. From providing comfort to loved ones during tough times to sharing meaningful conversations, these AI companions could fill a unique space in our lives. Picture having someone who never gets tired, never judges, and is always there when you need them. As artificial intelligence becomes more human-like, it sparks an intriguing question. Could these robots bridge emotional gaps or even create entirely new ways for us to connect? Could they transform what it means to have a companion? Someone who understands your emotions, anticipates your needs, and grows with you? It's not far-fetched to imagine a future where these companions become trusted allies or even a cherished part of the family. Although this vision might seem futuristic, the rapid pace of innovation shows us it might not be as far off as we think. AI is advancing at an astonishing rate, challenging us to rethink the very nature of companionship. Could these lifelike robots offer solutions to issues like loneliness or caregiving, while also enriching our lives in ways we've never experienced? What role would you envision for an AI companion in your life? Would you welcome one as a trusted friend, a supportive presence, or even a member of your household? The potential for these relationships is vast, and the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. The future is brimming with opportunities, and it all begins with envisioning what could come next. So, what do you think? Would you embrace the idea of a lifelike AI companion? Share your thoughts. How would you see them shaping your world? The possibilities surrounding lifelike AI companions are both exciting and thought-provoking. They challenge us to reimagine relationships and connection in entirely new ways. From offering constant support to bridging emotional gaps, these advanced robots could play a significant role in improving the quality of our lives. As technology continues to evolve, the line between fiction and reality begins to blur, inviting us to consider how we might integrate these